na ndiko bui becha nironekanire ya set the machine rolling na ndiko ketha kwina development so I expect miaka etigereiri rutero rwetu natura miru nora Mount Kenya in general rukona development yewi
ikoirero
ichonekanite na ubo mambi twina barabara nyingi na twina market nyingi na bingi na thoko nyingi na machibitari na bingi na
imbi pimbo to matethirwa tutena development imo shimwe na ntu ukethwa thirikari tare ambesa then it means county cionthe batere kuthasi safa.
That's true.
Lakini ukethwa itukuona kwina county mo especially ruterero kinyara western ukiawita county nyingi muno kwi maendeleo jama ingi je.
That is very true.
So does it mean it's true maybe uraga chagu wa Mount Kenya itutengi kana uti maendeleo tukuretera no ndutu itukatu utengo something.
Nande cheupe oni amaturu meru. A native meru.
Yeah.
Mumeru tu ngenwe. Na mumeru kwisi nyari. Auga mbina renta muchinkwendo. Do you know what it means? Is that narangwira iwa inarangwa celebrated. Narambitana wande then. Nankaiwa nde atis inarangwa celebrated. Na ndi batundo ile ciatonyere kuma the one go. Tugutonya tugukuruka kurene aki. Twethira twina nkucanio cia president na deputy president. Twina nkucanio cia ntu bara beba deputy president na bara baiba president. Twethira twina nkucanio kwa tuga kwina let's say leaders bara beba gachagua na bara beba president. Let's say like Justin Muturi. Who has been a good friend of mine. Let's say somebody like Irintoli, a minister who has been a good friend of mine. Even myself, I've been branded as a Gachagua person. Na ndigo tuweka kwina that kind of leadership it is not flowing.
Okay.
That leadership is not seamless. It's not flowing kutuweka president na uchigwara at is alidhirena attention yegitaronde about the leadership yetu Mount Kenya nawe. Lakini nare yangi bamu embrace hands open. I associate the lack of development with that one in our place. Okay. But like now, since we have a deputy president who has opened his arms to the president, that's why I'm saying now for the remaining period of 2 years, I expect it now to flow seamlessly. With the current deputy president, as he has been going around, on Tuatega, he has been with us now and then. Yes. And when he's here, he talk of owning us support the president. Nkauga yes, chaulea mwenye ugaga, taulea Kibaki ugaga, taulea Uhuru ugaga when modelos, mwanga development chije wetu. And support us as Mount Kenya region people to support the deputy president and the president mwanga development chije because even if we run to the opposition as it is, to be very sincere and honest, umpende kanondole. Lakini the truth must be told that opposition has nothing to offer to us now. Okay. Opposition has nothing to offer because we need those roads like the ones which were mentioned in Nomambe. We need electricity. We need those markets. We need hospitals. We need good institutions. Like me, kwakwa nkwenda Marieno University take off. Kutongeumba gumpambesha cia Marieno University ko take off. I tell you. Tiga the current government of President William Ruto. Kutongeumba gumpambesha cia kuitithia institutions ida na cia Mukiria University, cia Mukiria technical. Tiga President Ruto. And I did thank him. Notenda murombete million for cia Mukiria. They are there and they were connected na mbere. I really thank him. Notonyeu cia Marieno University. It's in the budget. It's taking off. Okay. I really thank him. Nyanga barabara randa murombete kuma Kinjo. Kweta kwena mwanga kambo au. It's already the contract is already out. Okay. Kwa unandi nyamata yaranda murombete ya markets na kumulika market chetu na kumulika Litoba Mukiria na baba ke Marieno University na Charia na everywhere else. Kidhongo everywhere. They are there and it's working. Okay. Even though kule ndo bakwenda kwa Ithija County nyambechi bakenda kwa Ithija County bakaumara bakiwi bathithitie and they are counted in us.
Yes.
But the fact is that I has 23 mweri wa iri 2023 ria president yariungite na ndamurombera interview bionde ndachoka ndaeja na antu bako bobishi beta betongairia technical people from Nairobi bebera na kurerero aditsirire wagi. I really thank him for that. And then I'm saying that let us be loyal to the current government. Na ntokimeru kiuga kirauni kirija wakirimbio kimutwe jana ndeto independent president you know is one step to the seat of the president.
Yes.
Kwa support bwega ya gwetha president on the guru yetu
me oteki ingia menyo wite mwanga thai
guteki na au kuma au ari step ile tigere ni ngai muno kwa
president
iya ukethwe murangone weringaringa mtu athithiate akurugurira kwa una ndi batu tuchieja na ndombe asori mbero thambuli ukwe no mbuli ndombe kinyambura betu baba Mount Kenya West ura tuturo ba support to support Uhuru Kenyatta to support Mwai Kibaki especially ntu baneru to support Gachagua kwa deputy president to support Jomo Kenyatta kwa president kinyabongo iba kunuke metho but tegemeru na uthio botheri bobwega this time that we have a child from Meru we next to the seat of the president.
Yes.
And I think it can work wonders. And
bachoke njara.
Yes, bachoke guoko. No Meru uga bachoke guoko.
Bachoke guoko.
Yes, yes.
Lakini na rito kuona kuringana na deputy president Rorare mbere yakaba tuchoke guoko guno ntu dairo babatere kwithwa tukiona support yone.
You see, that one Linda Sibara turari nabo no ntu no twari nabo. Me atwaromba thirikari turia matutinde twathiuruka na turinga campaign. Ndenda kumenya imurandi yuriku deputy president uratwari nwe Gachagua atongererie ndene Meru at least kidogo taura nditie kwawe no ntuthai tukwari na wowe kinyo getana junction ya Marua wona the difference kwi barabara rero itareo ikumo igeta mukawa kwa munyoro weja ndende chaka ile marinja yareo that road was expanded and it's almost like and college and many others nenyere ngikumira karatina na gontu kungi iri developed nyeri na ntu banyiri no mukaba ibo bembida mtu awaliti no ntu naria kureta ina akunishiti development nyinge muno Meru tutibwe gutumairo twiri twi kanyamakaraga kwa rukiratiri no ntu ora land development area no wabwiri gutagande kwa bangina tongina umitakaderi yaja kwa twika kinya kungwaro gwithite
no kuita mbere
but you see now you can't turn to us now that go twika gwe miaka eri no rathie bwega kwa kuna no rarija bwega lakini na digitali kwa twika gukugya thina ni ndo gutwira yi njo ni bombete kya ntu betu ali oria wetu arajukirie appreciate ora appreciate oriku mo appreciate no dunya ngwe you brother ora ara gwita you brother ndo ni batura gwitana nyango mwite you brother gwitanirie ngwe together monka bone Mount Kenya yetu gwitana mbere especially rutero rwa Meru we in a problem deep problem no ataka ya prices change bietu jamira it has really no dived
sana
you can imagine na bari bakwenda baidi bakwenda kuthoma mpoka chetu chikwenda kuchwa bakugura no ntu ibo batwiro tugurira mboga karati ni kwenda bakugura ikwachi bikwenda bakugura no ntu batwe mbeche iri ragura ikwachi nare gembe chuma miraene bichiri ragura mpoga na karati na bibinge byonde chuma miraene na they have nothing to buy kwa na mboga chetu if you jana this season ira dira kairora ira myondene we are 101% affected ikwachi bietu bidino kugura we 101% affected no ntodo kwa mirani diditi ata ne corrupted so all you know that we have millions of problems. I'm calling upon the government William Ruto this time around itorekerio thiwa etegende tuli we need it na ikathikira opposition na kuruma kura tukuruma no tujegoro ndathikirire na chekuru riria kwa Kalonzo riria former minister medically ntule araraia I really felt that we are going towards the opposition. We are going towards the opposition. Ukathikira Gachagua akiaria we are going towards the opposition. What is other Kenyans saying about the government of William Ruto? Kunduimbi na kakuno vone ni Mount Kenya region. Araba tuto kuga Ruto one term, yet the other parts of the country yara wone mambe narua to them it's not one term.
Yeah.
Other parts of the country, janande northeastern, kuriri yukitu ku. Na yaura betikiririe ibande bie mtu wondore northeastern.
Yes.
We should think twice. Yeah. Let's move out of the cocoon. Let's move out of the box.
Ndegeru ntu kingi ura wari CS Mithika Linturi akiuga gwita kwake kira opposition ikugutumite ukona kinya president akiyanga Meru na munini owe ureyangite nontu na ugirite voice yewe na akauga tunataka na nakuona uguo na nditu na opposition so na uwe mu support sana endele kuria kira opposition kenda aringie tuma turetero into how true is that?
I don't believe it's so. Because when elected leaders, Mithika is not elected.
True.
Linturi is not elected. Kare appointed as a minister.
Yes.
And they defend with his boss. Nontuirea wapointa president. Na inuji na shiona na shiambiririe.
Yes.
Antonia fertilizer and so on and so on. Untandu executive. They know how they solved it and how it ended as it is. Na Rĩrĩa Mithika ari a minister. Kachagwe no ari deputy president.
Yes.
Ko kindi gya temenya kuya naja as a deputy president no tule nyango ali aferu minister Linturi. They were colleagues in the same profession. In political line. Nande ala urampumba kuga kindiki na Mithika. Ibo bompotu ya kiraba tuletere when they were ministers. Because they were ministers from this region. But as it is now, Kindiki is now a deputy president of the Republic of Kenya.
Yes.
It's upon him to sell the policy of the government as a second in command, as a principal and advisor of the president. Nandi it's upon him to come to us, kutuandika policy sichai, chadrikali, na inyewe ngoa, kutuma kendwa ni antuba, baki yandiyewe. Na baki yandiye Kindiki, Itharakanithi, Imeru, na Embu. Baba nkene yabo. Na Mount Kenya atiranji. Kenya rinjoni atiranji. Kwa hiyo igwe Kiambu, waigwe Nyeri, waigwe Limeru. Mtu amba kumba kwa nei ni antubao. Kiga tuma igwe nyamuthaka Kimeru inkwene mu Meru muno. Kimeru kaigwa muntu akulingirwa nkemi ne ali. Bao mbere umarai. Muthaka kulingirwa nkemi ne ali bao. Kenda mbere umaraome. No tolingirwa nkemi ne ali beno iwonu kalitwe. Ukathunguthai. Ukawatainya kuthungutha nguruki. So, ukindikia kuthithia, there is nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
No. Don't wa Mithika. No. Don't wa Mithika. How? To wa Mithika in what sense? Don't wa Mithika.
Okay.
Mithika, like me and like any other politician, kura chia kinya. Kaka umara kuromba. Nani mpumare kuromba. Lutu umare kuromba bena Kindiki. Nonge umare kuromba. Na kiona ninye mantu jai. Jawe Mithika ya atuoni jawe ndene Meru. Ruto ya atuoni jawe. Kilimo eta sentiment atuoni jai. Jawe. So kote mtu tukuyantu iberu cheupe antu iberu kukire muno. Otemenya kubeba antu uli okwenda obera twite niu bakuya tweta uyuri. Tweta tukinyariku. Yeah, that's one is there.
Okay.
That one is there.
Okay. Tugicoka ki rutero mandaraka ntukwerwa ritwanire president akiwa agachokia kazi mtaani. Na kikazi mtaani nukurikana ni arikuwa gitara arari deputy baina Uhuru Kenyatta. Nira bethera bakitheria mji antu bara batoma kutheria now then bakithera bakiriwa per day or something. Ikintu antu bakuria atiri mwesh kire budget rera thithitu antu batikona kuri kitengo kiratengike mantu ya kazi mtaani. Yes. So ibakuria mbetse ikethera kire antu bare ineke ikauma na ikintu kiti budgeting.
One. Kazi mitaani antu barambiru babaga shoka. They are just about 100,000. Na kile 100,000 akwiriwe every county. Yes. Ki 47 counties. Ikethe ina antu baliku. Antu bara. So na ndio keja kugaira kile every county antu 47 you divide by 100. You are getting about antu giri. Kile gana ria kenda
kutweka antu bondo by covered.
Ega no assume 50. 50 counties. So if you multiply by 2, is what is by 2,000 is what is becoming 100,000. And to bamutiji criteria rikwiga tumiro kuba biki. Non tutugana ndi wije Meru. Kile antu ngirigiri ndene Meru tuina sub county kenda.
Yes.
Na okaga sub county kenda na antu ngirigiri ni roughly is it 100?
Yes, around 100.
100 bali yang no not 100.
Not 100.
No, it's 200. Ngirigiri 200. Okay. Around 200 no tubali ya 1,800. Antu 200. So itumbia challenge. Kuchora antu bagapikwa. Na urea baka tuika bakwa managed. Kende tuika everybody has shared this cake. No tutina youth batidi ata bate andiki. Na gutino tutikwenda kuanda miti na ala kwiri baketha beba climate promotion. Gutino tutina market kwenda kutherua. So nandi itumbia challenge, but I'll tell you the source of money. The source of money, when we come to allocating budget for the State House, for the presidential use, we allocate quite a lot of money. Kwa uoro kuligana na atitiki budget, ila cha president to allocate State House allocation. It is the itemized budget. It is the open budget. Kwa umbeshi no chidiriata, no chumeno. Bakanyia some of the activities in the State House functions. Now there's quite a lot of money. So that money can come from there. And again, and I'll play that that idea which president came up with, let it not be open to corruption. Not ingi, it was a way of getting money out of State House, bukiwaga kegwita kule vijana kazi mitaani, lakini it ended up in people's pocket. Na itongeri antu baka yigitara Uhuru Kenyatta. I do remember. Kwa bamonya baitengo iwa kwa mwankana arua batalio. They still demand. And there is no way you can demand. Because it was started without structure. Jaurea kwamba iria mwakiondagara, yukaru yuga kananga papa kona kiweru, yashoka yukathira. Na ndio ndaromba this one, let it be well structured. And it should be structured through the governor. Like now in Meru we have quite a good governor. Ni structured through the county government. Kenda tumenya mtokuthinga tanu anto bali tangu hii patikeje kwa gambeshe jo bagire ulingi. Kethe bijana bila biketha bibia centriment. Be yago akwa magana yairi yau. No tutwina wandinya. Abo west yume bijana 50. Central yume 50. Mwanganthie yume 50. Kiago yume 50. Magana yairi jatangana. Na yau yangana be yatukameona tuga choose the most needed ones. Na kethi baraba itete mweri yo bathiria then mweri yo yungi bangi barite. So yungi bo bangi barite. No ndoto tena need. We all need money. And it's okay. I encourage the president, provided that there will be good structure, that we can to freeze.
Antobamo kutweka ibo bagwitonge bo.
Na baitangu giba choka para baitabaga. Non to I came to realize that most of the supervisors, the money ended in their pockets. Nabomia youth yet this should not be the case.
Makosa. Itwonere ntukuingia ntukwira kwa na breakfast prayers.
Yes.
Itwonere president akiwa sorry. Kiri agencies na uwe sorry kiri Tanzania. No ntubure tete mixed reactions sana kiri ya Kenya.
I attended the breakfast meeting.
Yes.
Among the few I've attended, known to sometimes I look at it critically when it comes to a person of religion. When we participate, are we genuinely going to plead with God to listen to our ways of the way we have been doing things? So that day, I attended and I heard the speech of the president. I also heard the speech of the Speaker of the National Assembly. Naibarombele apologies to whatever happened, to the events which had taken place before, and also to the Tanzanian people. My prayer, especially to the Tanzania issue, ndenda kuromba but with the way we behave as Kenyans our democracy is too rangy and it is unmanaged. It's a open democracy which is not managed and which has no code of conduct. And our democracy, if it's taken out of context, can plunge the country into chaos. And onto, you know, kinyogeta in developed countries like America, can like Britain or any other. You know, there is a limit of everything. But to us, kinyamutu akumara kuruma na street ine. People kiramba. Atulingambi. Kinyarira president yalingawa alida ndukuni akwite okeza kuba kulingandi nabaka that is democracy. To me, I'm a student of history. I've learned about democracy, foundation, tenets of democracy, and the principles of democracy, and how it can even be practiced. That's not the way. Kenyans is that oratukali, especially the activists, we are blown things out of context. Tuwaikia mantu jetu Tanzania. Tanzania igakura democratically jau batura twakurire. Nije nontu nukona yumete kiri unjama just the other day. Na nya Uganda yumete kiri system of government just the other day. Ora wona bakarua they are going to storm court Kisabisi but in the Lusu and so on. Yes, we should encourage them, but we should not just leave them to have a blast of events. It's not good to incarcerate the opposition. Taula Kisabisi na Uganda aingiri. Ora aingiri tu. It should have some form of democracy to leave him to exercise his what we call dignity in life. It should not inhuman treatment. Kana itu karefewete na dignity. Na nyati ndoliso nale we should look at it to an extent that it should not be dehumanized by that those government. Oto encourage amanto jau. Lakini na tuitabia yetu ije nderonere Samia Suluhu aliingia tena nguo na imwekuru tena Muislamu aliingia tena nguo ne imborogas bakenya. That should not be the case. So we should manage these issues. They should not go out of context. Kenyans contain our issues within our borders. Tugeta ome na kwa unandiwa president ararombere msamaha kiri the route the urukirite it was well calculated as far as I'm concerned. Enyeke the uni president no undi romba msamaha no ntui batu tukaraja kana kale angiti kana kala kalumana agwaku wena ndiche upe. I don't know if you have one or not, but ikwetuka wena kana kakurumanga na ndiga atirimana na njirene kakambiri ondumanga. No, that should not be the case. Wantrimande muchari ukambira sole kirima muntu mwana kwa na kurumangire woni orandumanga. That should not be the case. Now, come to our Kenyan context now. Apology the president yarombere ntukwire. It's a welcome apology as far as I'm concerned. Not to batutula shiali. We are taxpayers of this country. Na ana marire ntukwira ba marire kokosi mehimwira mwanka bakinya bamo baho bagukua bakorusi life. They are our children. Na ba umete onja shetu kinyani ngokwa tumbisinsia na alino na nyeke ndo anora irwe nyani ngwa de thankiwe wabubuyi na ana bara bateru makumara go explorundura wonete be explorite itiambiriti onanja shetu bambiriti ora bayiga wetu kali mantu adirikali chaura wigagwa ona mwana ageta school akaigoro gwara yamantu mwalimu kiwa ke mwalimu kiria mwalimu ura atetheri mwalimu ura no muyi mwalimu ura murebi mwana eta na mathogani yara ateyenya mwalimu ura respect. That's how it is even with our government. Ora batura shari twara yamantu ya dirikali ni wana betu bajukaya na nibo marire nayi na bunjensi nonto. If you look at a number of agencies they are children from our houses. They are batalinya bakura batuka. They are living on their own. because oreta gari kwarinyana na ba 16 years nyetha betu ba kurunkuruki 25 years but still we are ana bana nditi bara mtu akinya tweke na 25 years ukathanetere gwitulira nawe aikaro nyumba yai then ngina asheri bane bakura asheri bakuthithia te bakwaria lakini because we are taxpayers na bara bora gura no betu na baumarite no ntu bakosi yetu na batu tuli thirikari ndumwe wa bara barugere thirikari baru campaign ya thirikari iji our parents lost our children got injured na batu tukabarea no tu taxpayers ile kabarea imbio no batu tutoleaga na president yale ali kai manager wetu katurungamirite ko ibaliwe keba nura unikangire maguru naliwe kendo mba gwita chibitali gikura chuma ingi gwikura chuma maguru keba nura kwire buru naliwe keda gwikana ale ako kamwe kuru ali no young woman at least to mu uplift standard yewe kedira ne ashali bawe iba inkaire mbali cost and so on ibaliwe so to me I advocate that I say that the apologies of the president was welcome but there is an issue kiri naja kisheria ndi wakili na kiri insurance because also I've done insurance law muntu ale akwa kulingana na bali yawe kote blanket payment ibate go imbi muntu athithaia ibate go na tia circumstances iri kuchialindre kegwita gukwa kwawe imbi yao people criticize me but it's supposed to be like that no ntuiga tuika ugora thirwe ugwete yiga wiri ngai askari agi protecti akuratha sincerely imwanya no rora thirwa kalindi gurutiri imwanya no rora mama mbogoro rathirwa kende yei ikwache biawe kana mpoka chiawe imwanya no rora thirwe just walking from the office etitei je imwanya na mwana rora thirwe etite school kanari nyombei chakana karawi gagwete as stream bullet imwanya no rora thirwe eprovoka askari kana rora thirwe etite mwanka kutonya parliament kana rora thirwe etitei kurangale mtu na yiga because there were even thugs menya demonstration yekeja there are people who take advantage of the same kwa hiyo tubulikuza tuna ambition shonde tukamenya who is who kende ya compensation ya yawa tukikuruka wa milioni 1 kuro milioni 5 kuro ngiri magana yairi depending on kitu chike kuigiku lakini depending on what were you doing at that material time leo shooting yetekele place
okay yes. Lakini mtu no akuriki uri akuri mheshimiwa kinyakethra tu pengine kuora thiro aikagiga thirikari betu kana askari betu batire kuthobe na other ways cia kuiria muntu uju maybe atikaringa na maybe kwela tia gas irabela kana into bingi rather than gutumira life bullet
cheupe I participated in this event I was in the middle of it I saw it
okay
when I talk I'm not talking out of ignorance baraba ingi bomba kwalia baraba ali nyumba ciao bakiona TV ne baraba ingi bomba kwalia baraba ali in their comfort but to me I was caught in the middle
okay
na if I tell you jaja parliament ndala kwina musori mwenje mu Kenyatta so whatever took place I saw it na indonaga it's my first time nontu ndirago manyani nyande muritwa even I have led some demonstrations it's my first time batu ikitaleto twagoma muntu arathawa tugachiumia kumukamata tumatukano tumuikia kile hospitali ka tumuita from the danger zone aja kuringana gwakari urora dawa bau bange antu aba mujuke ba musibu they used to jump over the one who is shot amamye we kuja bakeja forward bwara dongi bau bange ba mukuruka baga sangi forward so I cannot tell what was motivating them to do all that but it was very different from the demonstrations I've seen before whereby orado ba utiga we kujaga bau bange ba ukinyanga inyaba Bejite ningwitikia postmortem ile chathirwe they show all that book the injuries and the shooting and so on and so on. Askari kwikiosi kinyagwa twika askari they have no other way. They have to use the weapon they have to protect themselves and to protect state properties. Nandikwa twika it's gone beyond. But ordinary demonstrations askari abwiri kutumira minsi chiawe kuna ko protect ko demobilize. May use the right word. Ko demobilize the protector or the destroyer of the properties. And yes, when it is mayhem, total chaos. And like the day when Parliament was invaded, it was not ordinary demonstrations. It was mayhem, total chaos. And I picked my colleague, Dan Kiri, and I saw that twatwetera gukwira ja no ntundi kumanya na bakuma musori mwanka na bakinyire Parliament mwanka dene kwitu mantu twaritana wale ndali kwa National Youth Service. How to save yourself. Sometimes you know those things when you are taught when you are young, it does not just disappear. There's something instinct which live to save yourself and to save somebody else. So I grabbed my colleague. Damwira litatai. And he did it. Damwira kiratai mukone. And he did it. Nothing more mukone. Damwira follow me. And they followed me. So we joined the demonstrators. We walked through them. Tueta mwanka tureshali. Tueta njogo, tuakinya njogo house. Ara kwa education tueta nyo demonstration yedu kimono. Nyo polisi yekura. Ana na tiangas. Damwira batu tekara rutero polisi. Ndegu kurwa. Baba kura tiangas. Tuketa ndegu tiangas yekugurwa. Just follow me. He just followed me without questions. Okay. Then tuetira ala kulina National Polytechnic. Tuitia through the bridge. Tuenda through the bridge tuakinya Lewis. Tueta through the bridge ile flyover ya Randi Mawe. Mwanka tuakinya na ile industrial area. Okay. Then we joined the road. Mwanka tuakinya Safe Haven somewhere.
So you went to
na bawange bonde ba ana bakita to the pest. Medo na matuja maingi na baididi turenya tiangas yegerwa it will affect na ibene tamba taguruchi na ruja and so on. And that's what happened.
So you went to
that's how I saved my colleague and myself.
Okay, it was that.
Mwangato wa kinya kwa mheshimiwa Mpuru. Tuatika kwa mheshimiwa Mpuru. Tuitia Nyayo roundabout nitakunyeza no mije nala.
Yes.
Then there we picked a car. Etukirangata kwa kiri. And then it enveloped me. It enveloped me to my place, Kilimani.
It was that bad?
It was bad. We walked a long distance. It was bad. Nande, kwa mubara out of ignorance. They just take things for granted. Okay. But I experienced it. Na leo ndadidiri yogu, my boys were in the street. I have to adult teenagers. They were in the street. Kinyabongwa begoma. Bali patie kugoma. Nante yede ibarati ka keda batirati. Mwankali abegire dachi ogorondo na they arrive. So that's how it was. Okay. So nandi achali baliwe. Ibaji baliwe mantoje baliwe.
Na ndino tutonere kinya mheshimiwa Raila Odinga kwa njenzi babatie compensatory mwesh. Then antobana ndeba kedro by ikriteria riko bomba gutumira kumenya family city onde.
Criteria, this activist bauga neantu 60 ba kwire neantu 123 ba ere injured. The criteria is very easy.
Okay.
Hospitals, na mortuaries of that day.
Okay, record.
No, to record ile ishona ni ngania ko yarathi. Ngania ko yakinyangine antu. Hospitali ni kuona ni ngania leto aimbulinda atireje mwaje kawaida. So this very easy. Okay. Go to this month. It's very easy. Okay. Kwenda kumenya ntuko konthema.
Thank you.
Na no kumenya ntu iba atirimana gaba kiutha gambe chache wita kuthikwa endo bao. Kuthika endo bao. Na yabangi iba atirimana kuthambe chache wita endo bao hospitali. So it's very easy to know. It's not difficult.
Okay. Thank you so much. Kuna mantu president yaririya mantu yasha na uwa kui mantu jongeri kirisha itone ko kwira kuna nyalipa pole pole shani thire twakireta mufugano jo mwingi sana kire antu kwina bakua ni kuruta ngui kwina baba kuetrita ngui kwina bakuiba wita cibitari bakiro siji ulipe 1 year.
I've seen it working also.
Okay, you have used it.
Not me. Only na different medical cover.
Okay.
Na parliament to that na different medical cover. Lakini still we pay SHA in case meyano with cibitari medical cover area egeta mbiodi.
True.
Ekathira ege exhausted. Na ndia uno utumire SHA. And I have a relative. Urama mishibitari na mukurowe. Mukurowe mweko mwari no etunja. Eto Lilian Kanolio. Shani rabalirite 400 million shillings. 4 million. Sorry. 4 million shillings. Ama mishibitari.
Okay.
Na ya exhausted. Mungawa tukana ndia wangi we are paying as a family. Na ndi SHA is working.
Okay.
Lakini gutike ndugite teething problem. Meya batu tutalewe NSSF ikiambiria. Na tutalewe NHIF ikiambiria, no tuambirie it before maybe we were born. Kana when we were very young. To know about it. Yeah. Ora kuri President Ruto na yite na drastic policies. Iri nyingi muno. Cia kumenya na washa housing, education and many things. Na rira muntu yite job. Kandi gali nino nto. Ruto policies ile yite acio. Resort chacho chiomba kumenyekana 10, 20, 30 years to come. Kenda ndiguru yetu ithire ku jump start to that level of Malaysia, to that level of Singapore, those main economies ile developed uro kuona South Korea kali. But he decided to take that risk. Nande to tell your rice products kana resort chiangu wira rutu akolita dai. Okay. But at the end of the day uro thomete ntumbie Kenya na thomi baba ingi baraba thomete jo unthomete na ndona that resort, you know, the funny thing with this president is resort oriented, lakini ti short term, long term jo tell the society completely at the end of the day. But na kuno ntonto betu ni intolerant na balenda wa ogurana with the winner kana runene na teu no mwanka gutiki that gestation period die 9 months.
Yes.
Anyway, tunatavu. Okay. Na nyato te kuingira Ruto kairo igwa na kuingwa Mount Kenya or any other place in Kenya is that we want resort overnight.
Okay.
Otherwise ukathinga tha mantu ya yo ngwana mathwane yawe they are tailored. They are long lasting results which he wanted to achieve. Because if you go to Europe or America or even Far East Asia, ukethira mantu ya Ruto na yo ya housing yo yeno. If you go to Singapore, which I happen to have gone, and even Hong Kong, thoko ya Ruto agwaka ichio kethira no, but ina to aciona kaire Africa ba Kenya. Okay. What you know, that housing grouping people together, it make life easier. Non to komba ku supply water, sewage system, electricity system, social amenities, chondema within a limited area, na inya accessibility ya mtu nyombewe, school na so on. Then now butikite open watu kemiunde kulima. So within a short period of time, antubara bena ala rural areas, paga appreciate mtu akawa oni antu ankara na aja, baki teke nyomba kikiri ite kuota ika kana nusu, na na baba kwa bonde ma, batu watu kitetuka tule nyomba ile chia fonda housing. Nontu ise to pay. Yeah. Tutike na yumda yua kulima. So that's the kind of things which are in Europe and other areas. Okay. Na inyaisha na wangi na America. Nengo kuwira na Ruto is a risk taker. He has risked his career as a politician.
Yeah, very true.
Na inyama to ya kuthithia. Jatumbikika within that period of 10 years iwa kwenda. Tika kethera in a way of how you get somebody uroga perpetuate liga say yawe na kamate idea siwe nai ena chio ka kethira no ente komenya I don't know but that's how it is.
Okay. So ni antu bakuwe patient.
Kwa patient yeu antu betu na kumenya we na mparo geta mtu ukera mtu ukare rojo aithuganiria mpere na arua. So that's where we are. Okay. But I'm happy onto kethe yeria kuma thirikari gutonya yetu iku iria rya gwa 33 shillings onto nyani ngone murimi weria but you see now today twiri wa 53 kethe ikawa of which also ndi murimi okawa ora twara gwa chiringi 30 60 70 na arua ya society yetu iragweta na 120 no kuona there is some improvement onto why kwa kurigiria kateos na change nyumwera many blocks irira iretheriro mbere tukinyira hii ndi murimi majani. I do all these things. Wategora twara kwa majani this time round iturali na besha injaga kinya bonus yo kinya chiringi 67 70 80 na inya ihishe mweri ora tutwire kuri wa chiringi 2015 onigeta na mukethi yake kurethera kwena 25 pa kilo. Okay. Watuikana ndio ule amurimi pa kilo wale amukethi pa kilo ndo tulega 13 14 na ndiki 25 ri wale 13 ri ututigara 12. So there is a lot of improvement in the agricultural sector. Okay.
Kuna kitu kwenda tukila
umarutu agutonya na fertilizer ere aretere nyetha ntu bate kwenda kuga is a blessing in disguise. I tell you. Okay. It has assisted us so much. Bumping up untango campaign ka thirikari jajo ndo kuga kikwiriria ari ituruthierereo. I'm not campaigning for government because why should I campaign for government? When I'm not in the executive. I'm a parliamentarian, I'm a registrar, a legislative officer, or somebody who should be checking and challenging the government. Nalete kuthia bwana, nalete kuthia bwana kwa neguthia. Bwega even though I'm in the UDA, at the ruling party. Nalete kuthia bwega, there I am to say that things are not working well. Okay. But the kind of things which you are getting around the Mount Kenya region, the kind of feelings and the dramas we are having, the ile chama kombuli na bangi, terrible. Okay. Terrible. Lakini daromba ntu betu, roiba menyinya leaders ni ana bantu. Kwe mwekuru guchiere, na ntomurumi guchiere. Na we na mwekuru gutegemea uwonya we an husband of a woman somewhere, a wife na we father of children. So na ndi kutuikana ndi mtu akaandika mitandaoni taura ndirona kuandiki kiri bloggers baba twinabo that kaba uwe kaba mujumbe wetu alituikana ulingirisasi tawere I think that's not good. Kaba wetu ituikana uroragirwe you see, it's not good. Yes. That one has been done. Yes. Even bakwe baandikite bakiwa kaba unde twikenda ringi na imwana omuntu na imwana omuntu mbiji na imwana inya uthomete na ambassador ira unipejeni nakandiko which is not fair.
It's not. Yeah, kuna kintu kondo tukilarifa na ndaike mungu ratuyo kikabreki kanini mwesh mantu ya housing kuri nantu bakuri kiuri kimwe bakoria housing ire akona becha tianto asinira antu bakugitangwa itonete kuna percentage rantu baitoya babe na payslip
twigito baba ngi muno jani ngito ambeche nyingi
bas na ndantu bakuria mbeche ina bo baba kuro barere baba tonya nyumba inande na nyumba ite itiaki na mbeche cikuma kiri mishara yantu mbeche baba kuro bare itiambi na ina igwita
ngakwira cheupe mbeche hii jauni ngitawa gote nyumba ngo expect kwethera ndene no yes uwona ugitawa uwombuga by chance kulingana na uwe miaka eku no thira no expect kwethera wina nyumba nongi na nya president na gitawa kimushara yawe na te expect kwethera na nyumba mbeche yantu bakwirwa bare itothe twina revolving fund mbeche yantu bakwirwa kure na chio itothe twina hai because utena criteria kuga twina njire kwa bara bonde bare bagitawa mbecha nyumba iria na tubamumbuga maybe batena ngwena ai batena batanyombe nande kwa kunombira wena ndi unandi kuigwa kwaja tuntu ndame kwa kwa kirigara mbije ndara yetuntu no twingita wa mbesha ungi nayo kinyombe urega koromune kana ugwe uriaja na rwatu na we TV ne untu wembuga nandi na rora ra nyombe ye ukombora utenjuka jukiye ukaraga ngiri 3 per month kana nyangirinya ora nyombera uraraga nale uraga Kilimani kana angi ka Kinoru uraga na ndu uraga ngiri 20 ka ngiri 15 nyomtambi nyombera urara na ndi 15 iro kure ari na nyombera muthie ni ura muthie ne tithiririku ikethere o mwene nyomba ugo tire ko nyombe ngiri 3 igikwirwa 500 kana ngiri 5 na 700 muthie ne nyombe kethere ai ireku ungi ura na ndu no kuigwa na kwenda ukara nyombe ukombora ura we nambe shi nyingi na kombore si kenda na chombe chiri ugo kurangiri 5 ile na 500 chikiro ki revolving fund egomba waka nyomba inge na twaka nyomba iyi tugwa Kenya kurungama na tugwa nyomba ikungana igeta nambere kuithia ate uga the pilot project. What we are starting now is like a pilot project ya kuona kethira no gwako na ukabua na nandi gukuona ukubua no ndugwa mwakuru akirungama akiwa pumete shauri yako pumete Gikomba pumete mukuru kwa Njenga na ndi nyomba ntona kairi ndigu nyako mama kale magwita ngugi kana tonero uga aliwa go mama kale magwita i ngugine akagonto atwire we ateta kairi kioroga flash toilet nyombe we atwire gwita akiura irwa na ara kuraje kuma nyombe. This is the first time you wonder na ndi wali igwate na imantu ya meru kiriwe utenda kwa mturo tura kula thina na ngome kukiure tete biorone etarumune nyombewe na aigwa kugwirwa na nakunganirwa ere agangiri 3 na 500 kenda na chichi ciakirai ungi au mai mukuru kwa Njenga au mamujini agwetu au majengo agwetu itwikana nda kuya tuntu kukara nyomba ciai na ile akwa chitetie kuru watu kanyombe mwindi kwa accommodate antu baba ingi. So that's what I think it's a good, let's support it. No ntuni jani nkugitwa mbecha and I'm not complaining. Mwekuro kona kugitwa ankwenda kwira uma uni nkugitwa kusa mwaki mwekuro kona kugitwa cause she's working. My son ungo miaka 32 na kugitwa sana advocate because he's working na nyantu bangi barampandikito bishine bonde bakugitwa both na kwa wakili na kwa CDF bonde bakugitwa and they are not intending to get, by chance they may have their houses lakini at the end of the day kwe bangi tukutedia Baba tekumba Kenya siba open it wike you care you listen to your brother's cry wherever he is. Let's be your brother's keeper.
Thank you so much mheshimiwa tujuke kampuriki kanini tugachokera na tugachokera tugachoka na rutere ne rwa county ya Meru pia no tuba time na kinya rutere rwa kura centriment na kienda tukona mbia yo.
Yes tukwariria bangi muno. Let's talk about ourselves.
So tukirudi tugachokera kagita katikro yo kwamba turukumaru kwa mitambo na tugachokera rutere rwa southiment na kinya Meru asahol na ndeto na mheshimiwa atumenye ni mbia yo ngwantu ba centriment na ubeterete kwamba turukumaru kwa mitambo na rikana gwita namba kuntumira SMS yeku namba ni 0748988901 na utra Facebook Meru TV Kenya itanambira ntumire SMS yeku wona ndachoka tuketha tukiwate SMS yu ugeta kuraja.
Didia turataukirwa ni umwe wa endo betu nitujuragwa ni kithiki kuringika kunene hamwe na nkoji cia nkoro gwitikira wendibo mwathani Murungu hamwe na bo nitwambairia kuibanga kubate aria muthia na rugendo do ndwambairia ja Cool Breeze Funeral Home ijineo mogenjeru Meru iria iri mwekano jo barabara Kirachene kilomita 3 wake kuma Meru National Polytechnic barabareni ya kuerekera na Nyuki. Cool Breeze Funeral Home nitujanaga utungata tabo gweka meri na kugeta postmortem na mareijetu ni jakuguna mukojo waku tori na gontogo kunene na kotheru gwa gweka meri ngari cha ukamata meri na kinyama thandoko nitoboraidia na kumeria baria bataukirini endo bao na njira ya kubariria mbere ya tuterothora na kirombero gietu tori na parking ya kongana restaurant na minimart aria ateja betu baurukaga beterete gutungatirwa kumenya manto nkoroki toriongera ubichine chieto kuhitokera chene mero kana toringire thimo gukurokera namba iji 0798 715 653 obichi chieto irugoragwa mathaa 24 Cool Breeze Funeral Home, for services you can trust. Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style iria ukwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni ondobu waku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey na ringi mbingi oro wisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Mkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki toriongere obichine chieto kana toringere thimo kukurokera 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted.
Hello nyanyokwa wararatia
Kurara bwega mbebe
kwetike no kurikana rwaretwe na ndeti
Nata ora mbebe
tu accident down
network kairi ko tumera network iriko
no isa mtantu
Mwankare network ni Vilcom anga gusanura Mwankare mwana
Vilcom
ukathangika kairi Vilcom nibakinyete mero gukoretera internet yenthongi na yampwe uri obichine mochi kana biacharene yaku kumenya manto nkoroki aranire natwi gukurukira 0111 028 800 email ni customercare@vilcom.co.ke. Vilcom Networks Limited, reliable, affordable, responsive. Anuiji no aranire no bichichia Meru TV na Theri FM ukaigwa kuri no ntobote okugwiria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone nandi no tume maoni jaku gukurokira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaincenter@gmail.com kana uturingire thimo gukurokira 0114 190 962. Meru TV, kionere mwanya.
Hibwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na nkatho semwanya nguchokerio kari no tubota na mbere kuthoke tuthingatira kana inkurire rutero Facebook ukatwata Meru TV Kenya na ndatoro wita rutero YouTube ukatwata Meru TV Digital. Wenda kuntumira SMS namba ni 0748918901. Ketho nkiwata SMS yaku kagita kate kuraja tuna mheshimiwa hadene ya studio yetu ntukwena Arua mheshimiwa Kirima Gushine urani MP wa rutero rwa Central Imenti tuketa tukiariri mantu mwanya mwanya inyara yegi mantu ya Central Imenti president. Kwa hivyo kwamba kuthira kimaruka mitambo ni kenda umba kuigwa mheshimiwa ni mbia burugirite kana ni mbio yongwa abuthuranirite ruterero rwa Central Imenti. Kwa hivyo mheshimiwa atugita na mbere kwa reria kwanza kabisa nkaona kwina mtu kumbira hello madam Cheupe ambira nkethiri mheshimiwa Moses Kirimangushine sana mwira ni 15 bila breaks kwake from Meti sijui ni Meti ama ni Mwiti Meti okay kuma Murugi Kithirone. Thank you so much. Then kuna mtu kumbira salimia mheshimiwa sana Arisita Esther ambira kwetu ni Central Imenti ambia mheshimiwa tunampenda na ndio maana tumempea tamu ya pili. Thank you so much.
Mwiri kwenda bamba nya ithatu
bakwa nya ithatu by the way. Yes. Then kuna mtu kumbira sasa Cheupe Arisita Kimathi akambira kumarutero Kithongo akambira watching you live. Show iko sawa kabisa mheshimiwa, mwambie tuko pamoja na tunampenda. Thank you so much. Yes. Then kuna mtu kuna mtu gwitwa Irene umete rutere rwa Kinoro. Okay. Akambira nketheria mheshimiwa sana tunawa watch na show iko sawa, mwambie tuko pamoja sana na hata mimi na support.
Meru mwire we appreciate.
Yes, hata mimi na support serikali. Haya hivyo eka sana. Then kuna mtu kumbira hello Cheupe salimia mheshimiwa sana na umurie atubangirite ata rutere rwa Central Imenti nontu kwina barabara tukwenda atuthithiria kuma Gashibi
gwita Marimanti.
Yes, tukwenda atuthithiria barabara eu na twire bwayo
ndaba promise leo turari no na yito alite na deputy president that road Cheupe nyambere tutireta kuraja that road gives me nightmares.
Okay,
it's among the few roads which I have to the Central Imenti mantu ya change kuma 2013. You know, after the implementation of the new constitution, a number of things changed. Some went to the devolving government, others remained with the national government. And especially in my constituency, leadership wilaya leo twali na mheshimiwa Munya Ngabana, itwali na county secretary mita kwa kweta wa Kimathia Mundi, na ntali mujumbe kwa na mujumbe wa Gideon Mwiti. Na Murungu na mwitire Ngai na mwekiaega. Okay. Things changed so much. Watu ikande utikiro barabara kuma au Gashibi mwanka Marimanti uweigwa ukuria. Na watu ikande utikiro barabara kuma Kariene mwanka Kithirone. Ne kuma Kariene mwanka Kakuma. Kakuma ni nara gaiti kiani kiandege. Ndio utikiro nge kuma Ikweta mwanka Kambao. Nenge kuma Ikweta mwanka Kenjo. Mana barabara ciathirira au sorry ne kuma Kathiri market mwanka Kithaku na kuma Kithaku mwanka Meru town. Okay. Uni ndene Meru yo ndene constituency msima. Kinyera itite wa kwanja watu kani yukirwi county government. Kinyera nene buru ingi nene jenge kuma Gitone kweta mwanka Kahongo na kuma Mojo mwanka Mitogo. Watu kani yukirwi national government in the county government. Okay. And during the time of Governor Kiraito, I used to appreciate it so much. Na Kiraito uni gutuntu anteria. Kinya muntu atambandikira kinyomwe. Kinya kundo mpaka guchika kukwata makindo stop. Atararia ndombete. And he has never done me any favor. But intari na thina no niki netikirite gusaina memorandum of understanding. That muntu narite ngugi kuringana na ability yai. Yawe kinya kethira ibarabara check county government. Nathi kethira na means. Nekyo nenderete Kiraito tikingi. And I really said that Kiraito was good because of that. Na inda umbite kuthithia barabara kwetu muno tuna kuthirikari uru nere na ndachi naitwa Mirombe gatoa. Cha kuthithia barabara cicietu. Cia national government neti cia national government. Lakini thirikari President William Ruto, we have experienced the hardship of availability of money. Especially cha kuthithia barabara. Na tuki experience yu watu eka thirikari county ira turari neo. Ngabana ororari ku akurega gutusainira memorandum of understanding ituika muntu nathithie
cionthe irakomba
o iria komba arega nio na amikarira na arega nio. natuika numwe wa governors bara baikitie national government courtini bakiugaga national government ikareka iria mbecha kiri ayumbe cia kuthithia barabara mbecha ni nengero county government iririe negamba riu riatura courtini gwatuika inya barabara itithithwa mbecha iria tuona cia kuthithia barabara mwangaria ngabana urejere nandi urejere nandi naretikiririe gutusainira memorandum of understanding urokona barabara nathithia atia nathithia na riria gutusainira natue mbecha ichingi ni gamba ria ngabana bo baikirie gambai courtini cia kurigiria tu mbecha cia kuthithia barabara iria cia ki national government tikirire mbeca icingi tira cietagi county government cia county government no igwetagi county government ni iria cietaga kiria jumbe na ndi gwatuika ngabana bakuigwa ruritho barende igwetagi ngaume kiri ajumbe ni choke kiri mbio kiribo igamba riu na ndiro rituingirite manto jonde na ndi I'm happy that the current governor signed the memorandum of understanding in this point of that we have no money nethire saini ara mtu akaonera tubecha akathithia but that notwithstanding barabara ya kuma Gachibi makanduni ara market gwita Gachibi gwita Kiamuri mwanka gwita Kauthene iu nekwa national government ambira antu bonete thukibwatine niko thwaniria ngabana kana it's me and me but now since I have the deputy president who comes from Tharaka inda mwirire ngabana deputy president gutike ngi ukarikaniro na antu betu ibarabara eno tunyangwe ngwane kurita antu baku bakuma marimanti gwatia always possible tuone tuwekera barabara lami igeto akurikanira otherwise kimantu ja grinding and graveling jangeje kuinja na kuwekera maiga na ukinyera that's my responsibility and we are going to do it within a very short time period ntumbura nirathiriria ate nirathirire na jaruju uyu tintariki igiri ndendo tinda barabarene with engineers nontu kwa iria kwenda kuthii immediate ndigwita Kithirone ringi ndirikitie kwa ringi ndirete kwa kairasi bia Kioru secondary school no Kioru primary school na nkibarugurira JSS lab ingi tubakirite ndethire that barabara is wanting that road is really wanting na ngeta no ruju rukiri no kambiria pume kumaramine ukainde ndine twite Kioru twite Mwanga na aria kwa bantu muketha tumeo twina mena barabara ya kumeikweta Mwanga Kambao kuna Mwanga Runywene kumea na aria Gatorengo tuchoke tumeo mbina mbuma mbite Ucheru bina mena barabara yu Mwanga Kathwene tujire Gikuru tuchokere Gachuru engineers bonekethira bomba kwambiria ngugi auke kama tukujaire barabara yu nirathukitwe ngai muno kuma tugachoka twite kwambiriria Kitune gwita Mwanga Kiriro gwita Kaongo na kuma twambiririe kuma Kalindine twina mena njira yetu ya gwita Gatuatine Mwanga Mujwa na kuma twambiririe kuma Kithongo Mwanga Mariene na twambiririe kuma Riji factory gwita Mankuru tuthiuruke twina na Mwanga Murinya kujiramite muri barabara chonde kuange utarira kampungeni chonde cha county na cha national government and because I've looked at them and I've looked for resources to do them na equality nyana ngabana I'm happy that kinyangabana is back on track kwena Mungu itambitite kede yunda kwira kitankethera no ngabana na MCA bawe they wanted to start the same tukamuoto getengi punga kitwitira antu betu ngugi nonto antu betu baringire kura na keba kireba kwenda tinu kathithia ikuthirwe. That's what they want.
Yeah.
Na ngauga tu support Mutuma ngavana wetu wa Meru County na tuga follow Kinduramas ili kuthithwa chiokole and so on. Na mama agicieta ngavana. We have only one governor in Meru.
Yeah.
Ugwitwo Mutuma Ntoithingia na deputy governor we Irinda Kiome.
Yes.
Both of them they're in the office. Na antu betu ibatiga gucia area. The moment you impeached, unless the grounds which you were impeached upon are set aside by the court of law, you stand impeached, no te rungama kuringirwa i kura kinyegetha ko inegamba kotini tigari kwamba kuthira utirungama kuringirwa i kura ikyo gituma ukuona Waititu atarungamire na Sonko na niye Sonko lebe branch atarungamire because the grounds which he was impeached upon still stands, for they have not been set aside by the court. Na ndi mamaga gutoa area na Indurama chiawe na I'm so disappointed to see so cheupe nyetha tiko kwenda kwariria jana ndonere Sunday okorera ndonere gwakwa kaguma Sunday. I thank the people of Central Menti because we were virtually invaded. Na kutinda kugayenda kachaka goma ibukaritie Kenya and so on. That is not true. Antu barabale bamujina majengo. Barabale amiti. Kwetu tumba kuona antu bene ibanga birungi ule na miti irungi ule na batenda. We in Central Menti we live in peace and I can sincerely tell you among the constituencies which has no violence is Central Menti, and they don't believe in that kind of a thing. Na inya ugatwika njenu ne aja associated na wamba kana violence. Our people in Central Menti, they take you as a pariah in the community. A pariah, somebody who is unique and who is not fit in that society. Tiulea.
So no ko
bara tiba wetu.
So no gutwike mushimo ike gitumi nonto itukuona netre goji airwa thithia ukolea netre kigusho airwa thithia ukolea na eza na antu bena miti na na thithia ukolea. So no nrenyewe kaici pengine antu ba Central Menti batethanga nonto antu bagwana de ka
na ngetaga aringita tigania na miti jerea ba ni kuringithira nonto bara antu batigania ni antu bangentu muno. Na imbi ni antu inya temani na ne arui ni kuringithira na inya na ugwe goji aringita with that kind of kote kurigana tete maoa mwanga ng'ombe thinjwa kegoi ari maoa tauri makiri
makiri
yes ari maoa tauri makiri tete na matu jare ule kwa ruwa gwatemanga nwa ng'ombe ri wa ya thinjwa na matu jangi na ndigwe tu naratikira advantage gutwika batwi tutithera twi violence na antu na tabarigwa no abatendete ndoa na yauni as a pastor nti imagine we incite antu beta kurwa na nyara wigwa bakingweta imbangi itengambi God is my witness. I've never planned anything against anybody kuwegu karuwe I've never thought of that na ntina India ekubanga ndoa nina mtu ali nini na nande ulea ankuromba kugachokero kairi aindiere ibanga biriana. You see, you are encouraging school children kwa violent barabonere you are encouraging the youth because you see it's a drama they enjoy it. Watu urakuoniana kinyana nyombeku drama ya gutemangana kana kurathana kana kuura na miti wethera twana tutu nini kagwete mutikeringa kamutano ngina no tuikathomere kuma gi senemera kariona yaka ifan ukijani ndetse ukethera nyomba and so on so na ndura mama thithirie na nyo wonera abejire nte kubyatha no tegere TV kabejire they came along the route na ndi kuja gutuira yantu bakagoma ibudire bwega muno ibukaritie mama that should not be repeated again. Now what we can repeated in that form, then that is not civilization. It is backwardness. Na tena nguge nonto kinyenye umama kuthithia kutire jite gwakwa ethira antu bene into jabiria na ndi kuri gutayarisha antu kuri gutayarisha antu bara uketheira na bakethera bene ibanga na mitije iriku na ndika ikangira njwiti ibanga na mete etebunduki which means you encouraging anarchy you encouraging violence and it should not be like that in a civilized society.
Nontu bubu takarikari mwa mheshimiwa nontu itukuona kinya mbere nyori rarari gavana mbere ya uma kwirete tegembe letero kangeta na areta na lori ciena antu
etawa mama defense force
yes na areta na ndobena itio na methimbo yewo ya
itio metirimbo jerea na bere to fight.
What kind of a leader
that I'm not saying that you know it depends with the advice she gets maybe from those who are close to her but the leader is paranoid. Yani imugwa aliona yaka etete wimposimanto kile anto bale etete antoeta misi let's say ask me what I do because so I travel in various places in the constituency oni nimbuga bala beno ibo bankaliti te bambiti te abo maybe check and ask kinyabara tukarana bo oni utentunga matani ora atonga iba kamatale sio keza prombox itete na metendi tangi na ibanga kana pick up and so on ni ale ni betani kana nderebo kwa nkauka bara ba ubeno ibo mbone nganzi bai bambiti ite kuona na ntite kile antu bitite kile antu kala bandingiri ite kura why should I carry people anya ibandi uruki ite ibanga matite ibaka matite metirimbo na ibanga no orea ikuona ni ogwe ute popular na witite kwa chimpos kirembio kirantu na oni bitite ina function jana ndino ntu na yari keja not keja yari kiriro you do remember and that in a function muchemanyo jo monene muno you are to the community to distribute our checks na murako mokira amberia kukarayaka anyute jaka anda akirire la yani ndirire nawe ya mwira wo atuthukire muchemani wo kathithiate ogeta tenyo yungaki yeyo ngendera rigitie just tell them ntukwe guchetha football kwina twina kind of a knockout some few about 6 teams ndaka chichi otama mari gucheja ndaka iri thatu obaba kombrok bakara yaka bakwaria kaberirwe raia bau bangi babere kabukathithiate abogatuthukirie ni muchemani na bukenya kwagira mheshimiwa oyo wanyenda gwiriwe ndathurire I was very happy because I'm protected by my own people no te wipo ni ariku iri aja kuna ndi ora mama defense force itina ngugi mama na chiendirie kire antu eta kire antu bakamwe embrace kwatuika gute violence iri ariku iri au kira kimpumba kuromba naye we chance polisi kagera tiangas naye we chance adije mantu jai sarakazi chiawe indi akamba no twitura okaromba permit ki polisi na romba permit na rerwa ukeja kutebu ino ntu ground ne kuona ni etebu ino to polisi ile na intelligent report na wageta ntukuyu utokwenda kirindi kiuragana kana gikwenda ne miru na ara gutina thina na nawaga atawa permit kutinai reason.
Okay.
That's what I can pray.
Do you think kinyawe ngona kuwirirwo kwithwa kwina drama ya inonto especially meiso mu make famous after all mteto wiri ari rukiumi na kingine kingine
mama na kugwirwa I've been with her in parliament for 5 years I women rep and I know the character we are talking about na even before that indamuji nyake enda yesimiti nonto what I cannot cheat you about is that a family way is our first family Erekuma Centriment which also I'm related to and mtongomia very well she like drama na like it was related this and drama queen antu bona ya jaru she like that kind of scenario matera won je karika na but you see where is it leading to emwikiti na uwa kwira ntu wakarunga ma 2027 tiga koti the kugamba exonerate kiri all those grounds ile chatumira impeached athirunga ma ibuni urongo
no gutha kuipa kumatoto kumenya
chapter 6 ite athirunga ma
ndana na form nya party
ya yonde kiri kachagwa na mama jaja form party and so on that's dramatic they're just dramatizing nanga baka exonerated by the court.
Okay.
Manto yale ya kutuika the impeached. Nonto, if you can remember the saying of Mother Koome in the year 2022, naugire auga bunka akiwa ere impeached. Tiga court tiga kuthambia. Kiri manto jagu waete impeached najo uterungama. Na ndi can't jela batithoma judgment you. Can't if they are ignorant of that judgment and whatever the quotations and so on. That's the position. Uterungama. Okay. Chapter 6 is very clear of the constitution. Yeah.
Okay. Tukiendelea mheshimiwa, kuna university ya kuna Mukiria Technical. Na kuna Mariene Technical.
Mariene Technical is a university.
University.
It's a campus of Meru University.
Yes, Mariene University na Mukiria Technical na Mata. Tuchoke wara wambiriri no ntongo kwira twa yariri baadaye. Kire Mukiria Technical na Mariene University. Mbibigirwo kiwa iwo wore mbetembeza kenda ninira kiroto kiu gikinyanira. At the same time itonete speaker mbunge Emero yubundi akiwa nweke no rombete kinyarira RMC na Malight kinyayo yo yekiri kwina jara etitinya karura na akabonora ujaretete. Can you kindly to clarify to the people of
Urapombe kukwira Mukiria Technical yambiritie egitara mushimo wetu gitobu 207. I was not an MP and whoever says that no wambiririe he was nowhere to be found.
Okay.
Speaker by then he was a teacher. Kadanda to he was a principal kadanda to a high school. Kwa una ndio tayari kimanto jabu. Na mudhaura no wajanite track tembere Ford. Ya baraba the mechanics kudia practicals. But after that speaker na ere majority linda. Na 2013 na tuikari in chance ya kutuika MCA wa area. So as an MCA of the area, he had an obligation to support it. Taku area umete from nowhere, ituika volunteer aitangu area we na taambiririe ka support the ongoing
process
institution which was there. And also when I came in now as an MP in 2017, I went on nontualinda ko supporta project ili limbio ili okana okenya nai na chia kwinjeru ko gutikyo te speaker wa mbiriti nontu because just the other day when President Moi Ruto came to my constituency on 23rd February 2023 his first visit as a president in my constituency inda murombere nontu kwimberu dinyieta na mbere na nyana ndi gwita na mbere ndamwira twembeshe kuvivia mbere ndingiri na atwa milioni 40 antu ibareo ntamuromba iro bishine indungi ngari neguru no tonge waririe ntuku iyu na president na deputy president at then by then ura wari Gachagua by then ntuluge kindiki ali minister for interior na no nda erire president ndamwira president ndiwo gukura twina na baba ingi monwa no ntugwitikiria gutwa mbecha cia waka building yiji tukwenda yakwa kende savu alitwa baba yetu ithira chi classes and so on na ndi twe mata cha kumulika irana bana tuiba kuthoma mwanko tuku pati yo tunya ibeti ne amba baraba kuma nkubu na baraba kuma mutindwa no tuiba kuja kwira na ba ana batukiai
batukina
irasine
okay
na batukithomone no tuwe mata ja kumaja mwanka na ara na babarara no tunabo barara kuntu kukwingi kuba barara kadine kuba barara kwina nyori primary school kuba barara mwanka na mugamboni bangi na ruiga bangi kirigana na kidagwe na kuntu kukwingi na ukundema mwanka na abo kuchisa secondary school na njire yonde kuma kwanja kubu mwanka karine ana betu barara no ntu baba ingi na ndamwira munene kinyamari university ambiria catchment yewu ana bari kinyabo bakeja mari university no bakethira yi no bakethira bari ko twakanirie mata
okay
na president yetekiria na ndamwire ni inyo twitikanirie mata abuthu guchini tikinyuma amantu ya mengi muno inya barabara tweno okamwe karami inundation kirira tukuthithia na nkuru ira twayigita leo uru na promise na rungio na promise na ndi barabara kuma Kithongo kwina Mirau University kwina ma Ikweta it's advertised jau ndaromba president ndamwire ndi munene kinya market chietu utikyo guti market yaki and the in total darkness nyacho bono ikwenda hii ni kwenda weru the president agreed ini ngagenda aririe no speaker aria na nto ibareo people can vindicate me baka whether ni wrong kwali agetha ti etha imangu thithia ate ketha imangu aria then after a week president yaguchoka ndaringirwe munene opawa urore in charge of this region yetu ambira mpamtu waku kana kethi ugura birako ambiye kunde na arei wa ugaira mantu ni justima si obishye kwa ayaba piye kondi mongera ndamwira mongera antu basima bakundingira 15 km ira twara area square ya mukiria chuke wiki antu baba ndabanenkera thimu ndanekera mongera thimu ciao bakwatana antu betu ibayi uroba thiuruka yana ukunde mako mastima then speaker na ndino ntu ndigwa na kwenda kura chegite kindi nakyo abu no problem na yarombe tukaronga matukera antu betu tuboria atiri ugabuti yoro rombere lakini naye yakwarua na mitandao na mbino ntu tuti nai bloggers chiawe chakwaria matujara bakwaria batu tega mitandao eu me have no blogger ndaugira antu betu bateke reality no ntu bloggers most of the time they try to place the candidate whom they are campaigning for their own benefit. I don't know for what benefits. I'm not interested. So na ndikuwa matai ya nyato tutinde kwaria ene bongo bara kumurikiro ibadiditi ate ibaiji nye university yongwa ne diditi ate niyi university ni jiro barombere million 40 you owa tule abuthuguchi turungi mali university no to president ne tereo no ndarunga mbere na mwira president taga tukara muno tutirugurite na gwakwa yambiririe gwakwa egitara kirima na ini ndarombere mbeche kuma cia mbere noro ntethererie imangiriti kobia ambasi ndamuthaura antumire ki muntu gwitwo Mugambi okara tureshari tweta kwaria na mbeche kuma cia kwambiria gwaka university kuma grassroots na uni mathira mbuga ante ntuga ngera yorongoni kondi knows not man
matuna facts
mangiriti kobia by New York na president Uhuru na uni ndi delegation ine ya committee foreign affairs ndarikania mangiriti ndamwira na ya turiri tukuromba marie ne mbecha itwaero taito ira ya ni gitari ubundi bari ari majority linda na na tuto amutetheia maandamano ya guchwata itu have no problem ngetiga ngwisha kwa wakiri na twago manyengire ne twainga no Uhuru ya tunenkeria taito karie 2016 July na ndendera mangiriti ko byari twene New York no tubweta na ara bwethera bwibakai ko bwethera bukaria mwasa atimu kuma Kenya
boina time
no Uhuru leu na gwira na kunda akagwira na ndito ateka advantage yayo na mangiriti takwite oru keda kurukombo muria nyago no muringire mwasa mto place omuri ne mangiriti she is very positive, she'll tell you ero Uhuru mantu ya university ya marieneri tuwe budget sindi capital bea shiambere Uhuru eta muntu baratu wale abo eta ukuya tan batuleshari no wale minister for dugu kuwetra nyama yeto ukuya tan eta on directive data kim dachoko kaire ki Mugambi uranda mwera ura ukuya tan yarerwe to mwana Mugambi mwangaza wataki ukuya tan anenga atwikaga implement policy ya president to 345 million chiambere no kwingutari afika tika baguwa yito atangangani ambiria ya yuwa mbi utigwa nifika ngukwirira 435 million to awa chiambere through Meru University no tutwaka under the auspices of Meru University is not a university independent university per se it's a campus from Meru University.
Okay.
Na nyokoria professor Odhiambo akurumana so Odhiambo. Omuru University ya Kwira. So hii ngito propaganda to siasa to ukai hapa na pale atutafua ndafu. andu betu batuiji
Okay.
na ula mai kali niu na inge 500 ye inge ndarombere twinde tule au ndongi ngali ne gurwa ka speaker raia ugataro county na nyana no county nte kolega speaker na ali majority leader speaker na ali minority leader na nabi speaker Meru county settlement nene yake rantu ba settlement riwa ari mandaraka nontu we majority leader utitherero wandi akire gutarite wa minority leader utitherero wandi akire gutarite wa speaker utitherero wandi mwetherero Meru yo
yonde
itebia bionde atura kundi bibia Meru yo
yonde
na nde yake rantu ba settlement atiri kia gunde kwejari ndabuthitheria undi majority kandi minority kandi speaker mwangania ndi kwejari ndabuthitheria undi majority kandi yo yonde aitia buruguru athithio na abo west aitia katikati athithio o waki gutithinere na tukameranira siasa ikeya nethire na tu neringwe meya ndari mujumbe na ndinde mujumbe na ndari mujumbe kuma 2017 but mbere mpa mujumbe kurunge wali mujumbe mbere kwa na tiko kurunge nonge wali na nyanda uma
ungiakeza
kurunge kathithia da ukeja nonge neti gukarara give is life and death antu batuka bagaturo rongo ne aki no
thank you so much mheshimiwa no tubo clarify mantu jo kwina issue warombete mantu jegie sub county representation ya ukinyira
yeah we have 3 sub counties now twina Meru Central Meru West na Meru East and that one has been agreed upon na nya divisions twina chio kethera ni abo west iwe ketheme Meru West ina division yiri mwe gwetwa Mariara ingi getwa abo west
so kati jiteitra
thiumbi gasete ntisuga tuleterete budget
okay
ende gaseto then katikati au Meru Central iri no gukara na nyai abo east then nare ndi quota sikethireri ira twen guarantee twiji ni abo central ni Meru Central no ara DC ali ingi public participation igathithiate ikathithwa kenda ntu bugara bakwenda DC wa wathithiate DC nura wita DCC araba kwenda akara araba kwenda ndio wa wathithiate ndio ro gweto ndio nura wita wa ACC nigo kariu kira kimbije kinya division kinya locations na sub locations ndina chi nyingi muno igitangi na ndi ara tukagitanga location kwithire kwina assistant chief no etukeriviti atwike noi chief for that area tutigutwichoka kanya ka sub chief that's how it is.
Thank you so much.
That's the kind of thing you see me I don't want sarakasi na chaos during my time na nyoko ori antu bakwa kumandira mujumbe ora chibo benga ngugene na alimu nambi we don't do that in my constituency kinyoka era as a chief kana nyausi yes kana headmaster we come and talk with you nontu tujewe mushiari we nana mbugo kulira office we na mwekuru kwenda mantu jangi na jangi jonde na ndi antu atukwinga tukwarairia nyatha kwe muri twakwira garuka na nyatha counseling twakuthithiria ukagaruka you can ask during my time there has been peace in the constituency and I admire it lakini kuna some things which are coming up now and I'm not happy about it wamba bwa ngombe antu bakia ngombe bagekira promoxi negeta so nandi that one I'm not happy about it and I've reported the issue up to Nairobi we are looking upon it seriously wamba bwa ngombe na inyari mwaka bibi wathira itwari nyana wamba bwa kawa bubungi muno na bora githi nyanto muno kwa iwa kawa DJ na anto bora watchman bora na kawa getaga kingi muno karimi kuruki nkunia gana na gintu kakawa kala katheri grade 1 kala kwinya kwendwa mariene the same anto be yabora bairi na kawa kaiwa kaka ingi muno watchman bora bairi na ba kuora ne achiari benana akuru bantu relatives and so on na kaungo kawa kaiwa na no bwa kalire indi kaungo watchman batorerwa bathekero na kawa geta but after few weeks one or two kwa mtu kama watirwa kama tite kaona pikipiki kama karaka hii kunia igiri na watu ibolisi akagoma na ingirwa akorwa kawa kana karaka hii na witite au gambikirite muntu ngania was enrollment na mantu jo jaumarire nontu takwire ijaumarire kire antu nenye jo jamariene nenye jo jangi ya richi na polisi ya jukia na yabire guchunguza na bungi che ukenga kwera wandi tukuishi nokona yale were aroraki it took a very short time kugwata antu bala boragita were nontu badimo ira chiare at the scene na ndinya na babe tuba na antu boragwa na ukaho kaiyawa antu bara bondi bari nai na dimo so Safaricom ne assist so much ku make sure antu bala dimuiria bago tulesi kundema na investigation twetani very well so good na some of them were picked here and there now the motion kana na suspect and so on but where we were about to punch on the right person nonto baraba watawa ni watu wa mkono
wandogo
watu wa mkono nonto kao wote minya uwe nya uwe cha upeori wote minya kuyakawa
ima
kwa ikyo ukaruge kajwe mungau
tomba
no mwanketu kiwe kao ya kwina ale wina purpose or place to deliver so it's not any other Tom and Dick whenever I talk about coffee I usually talk about it biji ya utachi alimi now you touch some powerful individuals kwa wimbidera mbiji I'm risking even myself no to imbiji lero kambije yoka ya kwa mantoa Jandrugs na korumbia kana angi you become a target so I know when I talk about it I risk being a target of those powerful cartel itongere tu powerful characters nonto ya to investigate ya to investigate agawa how so much deep in it ospindio kwa ogwetwa njeru at okaria karakaria na takarakarira taringo transfer na bathingatana na DCIO ura wareo na bathingatana na DC bonde barabari involved na I went further to ask from you bichira chiri involved so I was told that mantu jaja tiganira jo mantu naraja umite iko kunene so I don't know but I'm praying that mantu jaja bwiri kuthira mantu kawaga menya you see kawaga tia wa muntu one kaiwa no antu baraya bakumenya kawa kaleo na ika nikikoma na kairende for transportation
ibo ntungo ndo kuria re mwisho menye tonera ko ogwire ogwono kuwa no kwigithia kawa rutere rubwo kwenu
na ndi wari uwa nkiaria gitaro theri nonto kuwa nkiaria kurora igwa nkiugira
no
na ndi mwamba na chiji na inyantu bano iba yoro baya ko na ndo ni otonkuma mbara yo igwa ndaria ntikuruka yago igwa ndaria kogora igwa nkiugira
utaita ritora muntu
ari ni ote muntu ndagweta inde kanwa nani kurambe tayari turathiuruka nandi nturi kuraringa ini turathiuruka ka ethi twajana chekichia development nketha ndi no opportunity kuthandi na kawaka improved roiro nkantu betu miti 5 kana 10 kabera atiri no tundabwa kawa kamenyere ni gachiare bwega kenda mba barabona kenda mba barabe babuya ira kawali beja kuona ya kuthithia ate ya kuia no ntungu ya kweyana obange na wa kuthithia ate ikuia na ndi ndo gwa ku mutundira kugira kwe
utewe
so na ndi muntu achiorota umenye nuko ntaka kara kagwa kwantaka ngakuorota kara kakamwe ume bitano bina bidithite ate
bikorotete
muroga achiorota ni akamborota ni ali ni yote nkuma
gara budovera nkiathiri mwashimiwa mono no mwire tunampenda sana 15 bila break alisita Andrew Kirumio kamatiye sentimenti
Andrew Kirumio
okamatiye okay then kwena mtu gwetwa Ruben Boy arembera ambia mwezi mwa
au Ruben aliria mbere tutara ngachokeria ambira antu iba vigilant iba formule vigilant groups ntu jana ndi iturali makethene akawa na no to uketha bakarie to watu wao na ndi nani nguye kwa indira chokere kiri county commissioner ndamwira na ndetere borichi posts na ala factory ile chiai shakawa kethe yariji askari bachokuo kethe kalendine askari bachokuo ethe kaongo iba ibongerwe kuntuku kunde migweta kuyongairo askari nonto you see amba baba batinoka ita muntu mbigagwa akeja kuragana ndamwira imwatracte gitaro nde kuigwa kuthithia ate kuragana so na ndi mwambora ate noka nontu ketha no kuona kawaga kuigwa kuna ikiremora gwetwa kawaga kuinwa kina ikiremora gwetwa kawaga kuigwa kuna ikiremora gwetwa kandu babomba kwira ukagutira palipo na moshi kuna nini kuna moto
palipo na moshi kuna moto
ando atita bagia ate ya bonde roi tutiga gwicithanira no natiga kuthamba mtu akathamba rukoro wawe na kirima ali nintigano nani
haya Ruben Gumabo yarembera bia moshi 5 tena lakini mwambie akumbuke mataa ya Kangorwe route Kagorwe. That's correct. Okay. We have already talked about it. Ira Ruben turariririe mantu jau and there are some things which are being done. Okay. Mtugwito Sara Kanana kumurutero charia akambira ambia mheshimiwa 15 bila kupingwa. Then kuna mtukumbira
Asante Sara.
Yes, arimbira Meru TV uliza Moesh finance bill
2024.
Yes.
2024.
Yes.
Ire kurukire uga tutira ugire ndi sore. Uga rutu ende atira tugirire tuinde sore. Yetha kwino twatirie. Na itugwitikiria.
Okay.
It was not mwananchi friendly. And we all agree that it wasn't. Yes.
Okay, sawa. Kwina barabara mheshimiwa tubirwo kiuga ni ijirwo ni ura wa RDP Rigathi Gachagua ya ikwa mathira. Barabara ya ijirwo ate?
Ura barabara yawa jana ndi ingukwira tugenda kuthithia barabara. Yunda kwira ruyu ngeta kioru kwambiriria kaindindine gwitia nunda kwira kunthema mugana wanto mto mugethoka gitu okagatunyi na ningeta ruyu you know I have influence in my constituency and with the Kera people ngeta ruyu nkabagarura nkabera barabara iri twina mekirigara twatukambirie kuma mutego twitite tabata they will do exactly that.
Very true.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Because these people are under me. I'm their boss. I have that influence. And there is that money for that road. Eungo kwire kioru. Lakini taj bechi tori no na ukioru. Ni account ni ile na gwakira. Kwa ungeta nkabagarura, nkabaike barabara ne kirigara ruju. Na beta bakathia barabara kirigara. Bakari wa mbecha. Muntu ile account?
Ile account ni.
Ende kioru gakarete dithitwe. Are you getting it? Ekioru gakarete dithitwe. Nere dithitwe ne kiriga? Nere rabuli kuthiba ni na? Ne kioru. Obu kuria kati kubwato point you. That's a point. That's how it goes.
Oh.
That's how it goes.
Okay.
Na mbuga ngakwira ka history kangi. Because you are young. Nukuona barabara iji kuma gakoromone. Gweta mwaka mikindori. Etwere maukune. Na ijite irathithirwe just the other day. Lakini kuma 1970s yatwire ere maukune ne thithirwe ne kirorami imuntu guto mugambio kuma Karatina na juju wetu Lawrence Kairanya nondibo bari na company wera ne thithiti ate ne thithiti na lingo kwira ndikwira the records which exist monka the other day rirejere kuthithwa 207 ende kuma 1970s netwira nai
mara 30 ne thithitwe
na rangi mara 30 na ne thithirwe ne rathithia ate ne rariwa so there is nothing impossible in Kenya anyway nanga mtu mugeni niwe wona matu jonde yali impossible in Kenya but to somebody who has been living in this country you can change a lemon to be lemonade very fast.
Wow. Kuna mtu kwa sentiment itithara na bank.
It's true.
Kinyemwe.
Central Bank ite bank ni sako ireku. That's very true. Na te bank yaki. Kinya big hotels. You know, we have been sandwiched between North Imenti and South Imenti. And if you look at the big business characters and the big business enterprises, nyanyomba inene ira chenko cia ndo Central Imenti. Waja mutindo the same. Nonto batwe twali part of North Imenti. Nyandi yu twejaga North Imenti. Ndio wetu mbere eta warono. No wejere gatimbi. Akija in 1990. The university Nkithire University. Kwa una ndeka can give you history nyamba twira ni control bondi. Tutwire kweja kinorwa. Na ndiko wantu betu bandi beropere tiga inyo kinya big institutions like an hospital and so on. Tutwire gwita nkubona tutwire gwita mutindo. Nendi gwakinyira urore tutethia muno ambassador muthaura ria bagwatanira kibaki arithere na mathugano yo ndi nayo no ori geria gututethia kithi ku establish hospital jana yeyo yangi muno but it didn't happen but I don't blame me because it was a civil servant he was not a politician egitariu yarire bakirugi na bagitobu batu tutareo you wonder do you know we have no level 4 sensitive or operational level 4 hospital in Centralment. We have none.
Yes.
But I've talked to the governor. Ndio kwenda twetheria cibitari ya Ndiru, cibitari ya Kaongo, Negatimbi, uthachire level 4 na twiki ikithongwa miezi level 5. Kenda tumba kuona tumba kwambiria kinya KMTC. 4 KMTC cannot start. Ndigwita gucwa ndero etimia kwambiria gutina level 4 hospital na aria ntu bakurara kende twika nurses bagenda kuthithia practicals. You know, you cannot start
very true.
Everywhere. You must start where there are institutions which are running. Even though antu bara bejite na ndibe to siasa bara bagwiri kwitha be establish level 4 hospitals at that time. Leo bari na itibi binene bya county and so on. They did not do it. They didn't do. So, but with the current governor, I think we are going to do it. Na bank shamba irua ni private enterprise. Either ya commercial bank igeta na na catchment iri njega. Either ni Equity the same. Either ni uteri ya kaone antu ba biashara. Thirikari yaka. Nya banki. Thirikari yaka. Na antu ba biashara. Kwa unandi gwitawa ni na private enterprise bo bambayiria. O uaku gutena banki gutena. That's why you see antu ba capital sako bakija gwetu na ba smart champion no tutolelimba majani tutolelimba kawa. Lakini nya antu they are running away from banks. They are going to circles. No tuchinya chiba ya run friendly. Kwa there is nothing wrong if we are getting those circles we should appreciate.
Okay.
Because they are playing the same role.
Okay, kuna antu pa
lakini nande sorry anto wendo gwira nande to inoteri nene igiri dene Centralment tijiri ni da tuinya inene buru tuina Saruvima
yes
on your that Mati Road beyond down Charia there it's quite a big hotel na swimming pool in accommodations in everything na meeting place in 3 months no tuina River Bank or just after you cross thinkido wigita ujo ne nyingo Centralment iri there are so facilities required then to ina Jambo Grill just karibu na kwangu kuna kwa CDF au it's a big hotel with all the facilities required so mtoroga na rito tino hotel kairora mbere baugali kerecha area and encourage others to go on building when the unte uninga kana untumba gwaka unini ambo have no ambitions of putting one untuntina minsi cha gwaka ndipo bena means
bake ai tupe ambia mheshimiwa barabara ya Kariene wita Mboinjeru tukithurune ni kuthithwa yarakisho tumeteseka sana
ni kuthithwa the Chinese is on the road from Kariene Mwanka Gakui then real time they are from Gakui to Kithurune and they on the ground now as we speak.
Aya na barabara ya lami kuma Kaguma wita Kotolengo
the Chinese iwe kuma Kariene wita Gakui is just 1 kilometer Mchina thiri yau kaga choka barabara ene kawaida no ndo kwanza kinya campsite ya kinauga goma kidogo kuria na ihi na nathithitie na openete and he is coming back and I'm happy about it.
Okay.
And I appreciate, I thank the government for that.
Wow.
It has earned our cry.
Okay, kuna mugeni akambira mburi mheshimiwa barabara ya kuma Ucheru Mwanka Kiamuri ikathithwa ri na stima agatwikira ri mutwiri kuma Gachuru barabara ya kuma na kugira ni county but inkwirire ituchainete memorandum na ngavana nambetikirie kuthithwe ambetere njere na ruju kwanza umutwiri mwire ambetere ruju ngethandino imbugire ngethandino na ngathiuruka kuma Ucheru bite na barabara iji igwitira kwa Mrs Muthaura Jane Muthaura mpumire Kathwene market Domira Kathwene market bite na kieni kia Mwoga
mpumire wa chief nkinya Gikuru bitene we gachoro iwe yao
Okay.
Nuje na tankira ngirire ni engineer tukatha twino na contractor nkimwira ambiria ndo nandi ngabana tena thina yes
Wow.
so nandi afurahi huyo
Okay. Uju kurungi lakini uju ngotikene eu no chokeri no tunuwire nyayo ni advertise ta barabara ya Equita.
That one is advertised.
Yes.
But at the same time nyetha ni advertise nkambiri kwetha ruju
Okay.
ruju ru nkinyerurie gukurukira ruiga nkinye katheju nkinye kambao benamiu
Okay.
na ukenda yambiria kuthithwa nyangwa this week.
Okay, thank you.
Endeu te county.
Eune.
That's not a county government project. Eu mkathithia te county. Eu ne national government. Eu ne kweu.
Eune ku.
Eu ingine unketha ngithithia te kwa.
Okay.
Ne mujumbe ono witawa Kiambi.
Okay.
Ne kwe.
Okay, thank you so much. Mheshimiwa no tukona time wetu ni tire muno. Tukithirikiria ndenda withiro gitwira itonete bukiwa Gachagua kia kuma Gitene na ndi tukareta maendeleo. Na
kali Gitene
ari kangu kura bowete bo na ndi naumire Gitene. So ndenda withiro at least ukieresera antu no tukona kwiba kwa batena ene tarmac road.
Baraba tena tarmac road constituency ekwa. Na ini mbuga ati baba kuga. We have no tarmac road which we call ours. Century Mid tarmac road. Barabara kuma Nkubu gwita mutindo wa tetu. Yaiwi ke kurukirite gwetu. Na kuringana na mbona antu bo bekaira kethe bari na angi wo kurukiria. Bari kurukiria bantu bagatwata. Barabara kuma Mesa Bone Produce. Gwita Kithongo. Gwita Kithirone mwanke geta Marimba. Ethi bari na angi okurukiria. Bari kurukiria bagatwata. Barabara kuma Mitungu. Kuja charie keja mutindwa. Akwa Mesa Bone Produce. Honestly yetu ibangiri tite. Ke kurukirite kwetu. Barabara ere kwithere kwetu. Ni ira yumite kuma Kibaranyaki. Kithongo. Igakurukira gatigate Mariene. Ikena mira Kirigara gwetu. Ikarungama Mwanka Kauthene. Yakinya Kauthene yakinya Mwankene yetu muhuro mugu. Na ndi batu tu barabara.
Okay.
That's why I am so happy kuigwa wika barabara tugekirwa gakwambiririe kuma Katheri kagetira Kinjo igo getha gekarami getu ka mbere la miongwa ya mbere minya you should understand between the tarmac and surface dressing imantu ya mwanya muno nyera ndekari gukwendesa those technical issues na ndi barabara ingi mbomba kuga ni yetu nukuona barabara yu ndakwira muchaina ari njirene ne ndakwira rio time njirene bekire uri ande uninka ugabo tuguchinai na barabara emwe ne yetu imwaki bekire maria yenda kwire Kinjori bugaya bo tuguchina barabara ingana ijiri lakini President Ruto na promise it during campaign a number of routes na promise it barabara ya kuma Kithongo Kamunyone kuwata Murugi ikagwata na kangi twekirite kukurukira na wa PS Mwongera ke marinya maingi. Okay. Ndetere twaria Mwongera na ntetheria na twekira antu betu ba Murugi barabara. Herami. Okay. Lakini kana marinya muno igakwenda kathithitwe. I'm looking for money to see how we can do with those potholes. Then we kakangi tuambiririe kuma Mukiria kaitia Mariene keja gakinyaja kaibi. Itweterete na kukuthithia gaitia Mwanka kaitia Mwanka Githongo market. Na kwendaririe na Kandie DG na itwaritie na tubakera Mwanka tuona that we can get some money to do that one. Tukathithia tuli onde ngwiritwe muno. Okay. And I'm putting effort kuona tukuthithia. Siasa hii kuringwa itendigiria it will not distract me. Kinyoke yombugira mbuma tone itendigiria andaireki Mheshimiwa Mburu because he also says so na mbira kinyaba kababa bakauga mbu kana bakamuringire tumakengana ndimuriria ritai aritanguye and when we do like that na ya jumbe bamiru ndona tugwatene njaro tukiwa gituma gituturiria twitanguye it's really something to appreciate na ndi kiria kindombe kia ito akamatire project chetu twakiria ndipite President Karen na twitite na atongeria bakuma every constituency. Thereon later tweta na ngabana wetu mutuma twithingia na MCAs bonde na ajumbe bonde twakamata the same president project twikiria hii president State House and it was the first time for Meru leadership to go as a united leadership to ask a project from the president. That's what has been happening in Omambe, Kwangira Niswanga. That's what has been happening in Bungoma and in many other places. Ilo kumbira uwona yeta nai. Na mbere na project ishiki etu no. Ne atongeria betha bagwatene bageta begi ntuki.
Kimwe.
Na ndiba tu ituletere. Tugi ntuki mwe. So we expect a lot of results.
Okay.
Nonto kinya barabara yetu still nyetha ne county. Ye kumagitone ekena makaongo kumagitone getagatuatene kena mamwanka mitongo. President wengo tu kwa father lo tueto mujwa. Ai deputy president tu campaign ne. Ere father ngakuthiria barabara liko. Kakuthiria barabara umbe kuja kanisa ne bwega na umbe gwita mitongo na pale shine kwi bwega. So I expect so much. Kumanya na interview on the tournament president. And to be to ekanya 2 years is not just tomorrow. There is a road ahead. Na kura tutekulinga rojo na inyaedra ntube nondona ndia ntube tubarali so much down and against President Ruto but as we speak about 50% has come up. Wakambiri kuona ora gukara. Na lingwa 50% ndia ndire muntu Kenya region yonde temeru aki. Ibatu ekanya myaka iwiri ndakwira twikinya 2026 December okona be maka bakiuga ai katumugerie myaka wingi 5 katumugerie myaka wingi 5 kulingana gwire abangite kuthithia te kurita na nya batu you have no reason che kumutiga kana kumunda out ndo aketha kuthithia so much and I call upon our people to be a little bit patient. They have been patient yeterete tikuye kero tithia te tingana ya gothe menya kimeru kiu.
Thank you so much director kwa ndo mbongere ndaika ijire yake mheshimiwa Inya uenda ndarombo metukiri kuribioria pitato.
Thank you very much.
Kwina kiuri kia stima.
Yes.
Stima kinyatio ibakuwa batena rutere ruru tiona stima na uju na kuwa stima cia kuma gachuru kithira bakambirie gwikiro na kwina antu bangi babaingi abakuwa rutere ruru babaingi antu babaingi batena stima.
Onau
rutere ruru. So what are you doing to make sure at least bakona stima?
What I'm doing antu betu biri bakuria baka doubting Thomases. Nontu barabaingi babo ibonete the boy I talked about, the young man I talked about. Pio kwa kithiuruka na ntubastima.
Okay.
Barastima. We are maximizing on the transformers which are there.
Oh.
Especially ya Kathwene, Kachuru, Kikuru, Kauthene, Kiamuri, and all those places. Na Njani Maki. Na ino banenkanirite maratasi cha kuonania bagwitikiria miunda yawe tumirukirukira kingi stima. Na nangi gukwingi nara gutirari na transformers. Janare ya muthithio kirugu makandune kuja mwanka mpuga kuja mwanka naja nguna untu gukwingi baragu te baragu kwina stima. Baragu irete na stima nire mulu kwina stima. Baragu irete na stima ningi pamoja ontoliria there are about 15 people and we are thinking of how they can be connected through the last mile. Wote mtu gakurukirwa.
Okay.
Kinya transform ekamuru na ja mukiki. There are many places in Tumbo Kuwetrashonde. Okay. This time round, we are embarking on kuwatiria ntu stima babengi munonya wono kwa president akiwa now and then. Kaba kagwatiria bangini bethenkiri stima constituency kwete gwatiritwe. Je chona ndantu bakwa bali Kanyongo, Kalimaiga, ibagwita kuntu kwingi. Twetu mana kinyaru uyu no tukatinda. Meya kuntu kutathimi no monka kuthimo. Na engineer bara tutumilita beba bengi. Bakuthia sabi na design nonto ja the other day tulekiri ngeke juene kama indi nyaga chukwizi in the process lakini yankera nto betu stima yekirwa ibakarie iba evenjera ntigukagia nonto bara bari opponent bakirima ibakwaga nandi baganchinda nayi nandi bethingata kithi stima jau yekirwa bagatuma ntu bakuya transformer kende tukana ni gwera kirima rari tai negati baba batumenya kuya waya kwino nyire ija kijuene ni rai na kwa tumano ko muthako u na chokie na kwa twachokie lakini I'm very sorry uwo ngurete kuya transformer na kama indi antu kabathurire bamwithia which is unfortunate kura ikurusi life I'm sorry about it na kutibudio karau na babwiri gweta polisi lakini the band the character niki astima oigwa ntubuto kwa stima tachi alikuchi akurwa na ntubuto kwa stima tabara bonete stima kuma 1960s kuma 1950s ilole ambere yao kuona stima kwa bakuwa by so much offended stima chikini na wabo geta kuthithia ate kubayira kuna ndi the acting out of anger kituli gatenderene ndio kuwetere go kwingi gitugu kigongo dhungu all those places wikira nkija wa kwere kaira ya ukambo bongo hapo kwira ba kwira ira kirimo iboga stima ile
kinyire
twamwira ira ni rekira.
Okay, thank you so much. Kiore kingi kia UDA UDA ikikurikana ikia makiukara yaka kimelegea especially kuterene rural county
UDA.
Is it true?
UDA, I won't tell you much about UDA. Nonto kuma turauma kulene tona twitite muchemane jwa county tutirimana UDA leaders na kana nyato na coordinators betu ba UDA baraba to coordinator mantu akura na ntoni nyake amagitite muchemanio ibara bendi quarter they live in the quarter but twitana ibalekereria kiama UDA is by name naja tuli lakini I'm a member of UDA.
Okay.
The deputy president is a member of
UDA.
Other 3 MPs in Meru County, they are members of UDA. That's John Paul, Taitumu, na Mutunga, na Lady Kiri. Then Naun. Kuna ndio wataka utorajumbe bana. O batano. Then women rep, no UDA. And a nominated MP, Modoni, no UDA. So we are many, but I won't tell you that there is much which I can tell you about UDA. Okay. The activities of UDA, they have been downgraded and downplayed. The nteku UDA geteo is a sleeping giant. Okay. Kemami. Yokirwe gokira.
Yekira maru igeta.
Yokirwe yekira maru igeta. Lakini itwagwatanire twinde as Meru leaders. Nontoketheja Mheshimiwa Mpuru, he support the deputy president and he support the government and he support the president. Na no kema hiyo no peu. Kwa unandi we work as leaders. Tueja ketheja Mheshimiwa Mweti no Jubilee. Mheshimiwa Kiri no Jubilee. They are all in the parliament and we work with them together as supporting the government. Kwa utu the mara tukaimiru dai. Kinya ngabana wetu ratu ino. Ari wa independent. But now we work with UDA. Ora tukali batu miru twinde nandi ndio na jaka tu wigwitaniria mu twinde tugeta kethe tu ba UDA kana kethe ndera tukerekera
bugeto
nothing will change us. Urungu asati.
Okay, thank you so much. Giorgia Muthia ndike ki Professor Kithure Kindiki. Antu ibakuwa nejite miru muno especially this month nejite like 4, 5, 6 times.
Yes.
Na tuko na kuleta miradi mingi mno ya ku-empower youth, mama bogas, boda bodas, mantonto ayo. Kwina kiurike kurua kwina antu bakuwa mibango era kana kuya kwawe ikuitha antu metho kenda siding opposition itikone antu. Number 2, kuiba kuwa nini wa kureta no mono kolea ye kawira only that eje nambia nyingi kidogo nkurukisi ya ira cia kawira isetu
teu cheupe teu au sei teu nikeno ngukwira teu okolea itaga egeta nontu imionete yetegeta na ng'ombe mwe.
Okay.
Ng'ombe mwe yetege kuina a very big area. Ntu jana ndi cho ibarari kagoma betira ng'ombe mwe. Wika kagoma boundary ne ya Mwangathia division na Abo Central division. Na ng'ombe mwe ya yanirwe. Ureka ngana division icho igiri. Na kirindi kyo ntekira ki hari kienine. Utemenya. Then kethi matrisi ira yano. Ikaeja no mtu mwe katindiri kamwe kangi antu bate kujura 20 na mandibuti yo come to functions each empowerment they are very different
okay
na tachiri different uleta tukauga ikundi kethe bya youth bya bonda bonda kana byekuru bila bina account and be registered no tokora ntegwe kiwo be registered na be active tujite kuthithia kubutetheria kethe tibu banking buthithia buita na mbere bona mbechi nyingi cha kuthithia tibu banking kethe bonda bonda ora bu promoter tujite kutetheria kenda bu promote economically etho rari mtu bonda bonda wona mbechi nyingi wambire kurithia mburi ka kurithia nguku ka kurithia njuki atia kikundi kina kigwitoja kingi kia bamwe korwo gita kibuci self help group kaka korwe self help group agieta kieja kiedra kijire na ngiri magana yairi twathithia empowerment project ire beja na ngiri magana yairi bagachoka na ngiri magana jana kethe tibu banki barako bithana ye chiringi 5 kana ngiri 2 na ketha barako bithaia ekuru 5 na ndi bakombo ko bithie ekuru 10 kana ekuru 20 ketha barako bithana ngiri 2 barako bithana ngiri 4 which means it has become a revolving fund eteri wantu kwi withithia ata a revolving fund no ntona ndi bagaitetheia bongo ambechi kaingia nyeche ko bithana yai are you getting the difference yes. Lakini yere ngombe into murume omwe jakirima na mwekuro we wanekira beto kama abo
bongo
na kethi matricio nenganire yeta kumama iru muntu omwe gutikinge kauma no tikinge gachiara si kethi maributi unengere muntu etere gwikaira kuri mamudene jwa utikinge kathithia ate lakini hiji mbecha chile kethi tibumbaki bwe jana ngiri 5 na ndikuma na ndibuka jana ngiri 10 ethi matumura gura ruria kwendia ethi uragura ya chiringi 2 okagura ya ngiri 4 to profit yenene to wa promote antu benu so that's the difference antu ibatike kuchiaire na kuthukia a novel project yenjaga na yani nkamireta mwiri omugwanja I'm hearing it
okay
why not ndenda kuthura ni kundi byo thani mbete tana youth tuye tuba promote kinyabo
inyo bate atigwa nyuma
so na nde I'll pray for their support bukairwe ne okore antu betu kinya nini eji iki tuyo promote bwingwa kenda bwitha bwire economically empowered bomba kuthithia mantu ja manene nkuki jari
jara
buthithia
thank you so much mheshimiwa no tuponya baguchwa kanya gaku keza parting shot yekunte kumyaenda kwira antu
parting shot ya kwani ati we have a lot to do in the constituency jana ndindale na mheshimiwa ni wa principals yegoro na chairman wa schools na other stakeholders twatinda nabo twina mushemani jumu in common kenda tuna to promote kithomo wetu na ibaraletire mantu cha challenges ira makirie muno batwika nonto twina na baba ingi bara bande schools ana bana ja ibagwita gambling ibagwita betting ibakunywa hand drugs na iba kunywa illicit mbulio na muno bauga ja mwana oro ratanwa na ndi ali assume aroya young adults na nandi atwika ati kwathikira aciari bawe ndiromba aciari ba sati the authority bukarekeria ni na babetu bathukwa ni hand drugs kana bathukwa ni illicit mbulio kana ba chindanjikiri gambling ya muno ndigiro ba weta pool na kiuthike mu China na mantu jangi jagu jale jaka mess up na generation yerereo even kalinjiana kuthoma na bwa rume banthuki etu na baria nini kiri uni na nya baria kuru kiri uni tigeni gutigira ekuru ana no tubate kumba muno kumanenjiana bandaka nontu isengi etu muthaka tano ayeja DC na yani ndirera my father u ejima mzee anthukira muno mbiro thimia kwa DC uka DC na mbira PC so it was atwakinyira ku compromise na ndia tweka nkathika na ndiromba kuruiba chokenja njate tenja ko mama anja kukariana bao kende twika tuketha twina a good society ruju no tukinya tukarithia barabara yu kinya tukaka schools yu kinya tukalima kawa kau kinya tukalima mbokando yu yu no twindira jana mbokando indira jana kawa kinya tukalima biu bionde na ngaka maskuzi jau natoka kashibitali hiyo na barabara indongi indi gwatuika tutina ngundi generation investment ire mbere bingi bionde in good population na educated population tuketha twineu eyo yange yageta choa atina problem mpumba kwira ntu betu na bethe bena hope that we are going to do more than what we have already done.
Okay.
So that's what I can say.
Wow. Thank you so much mheshimiwa.
Asante.
Unyanka kwira thank you kinya uno ntupa kuona time kwa kinya kiri studio yetu ntukwa narua. Ingwiti kiantu ba centriment bakuthoma mantu ja mengi sana. Kinya yara putaramenya ingwiti bukutha bukimenya igwari yara purora gibiuri buteko.
Na nke ya kairi na kairo mbita.
Yes.
Au no tire ntino gwe na ntu betu ba centriment.
Kabisa.
Yes.
Bogotivi rubu ngwa antu ba centriment ntongera kana ntaura mheshimiwa wenu wengo boira ntukwa narua butekuibo cia kuirwa cia matoka na cia kuibo na mitandaone bukuibo na matoje yenu ibwega sana mheshimiwa. Ana tubakuja kwaraniria na ringi kura bara bakwere kura na mwathani akutharime sana. Na bankarie pere bankarie. Yes.
Na ningeto bakaria ngeta na mbere bakaria.
Kabisa.
Na bando mbere no ntu nayo magerio no uya gutaja kingi ya. Tuteke gutirimana na bara bakuraga jumbe ja babo bawere na bau bangi twagea ngarine Mulungu otethia tukauma tukomba kwananja chetu. Twagea ndegene yakinya nthi guruka ora tukomba kwananja chetu. Tweta miundene yetu gwatuika tukarumiro injokano. Tweta guita nguici yetu gwatuika ketha gukama ng'ombe te kuringa ruthari. Kabisa. Turombanire tuiki tukaribwega.
Amen. Ibwega sana gutegeria Meru TV nya wana tubakuthorea mana batu kumaria twambiririe na mwaka teto mbagira katanta kirwari rwetu tugatrimana ntukuingi na mheshimiwa twamwita ntukuingi wetha ko kiuri wina kyo utigiro na kyo ntukwena rwe wa muri ntuku wingi na komba kuthirwa agiucokeria urare bwega na mwathani akutharime sana urare wendete bitajeri.
Asante.
Hello nyanyokwa. Warara atia.
Kurara bwega mbebe.
Kwetike no kurikana rwaretwe na ndeji.
Nata ora mbebe.
Tu accident down.
Network kairi. Ko tumaira network iriko.
No isa mtantu.
Mwankare network ni Vilcom. Anga gusanura Mwankare mwana.
Vilcom.
Ukathangika kairi. Vilcom ni bakinyete Meru gukoretera interneti nthongi na ya mpwe uri ubichine muchi kana biacharene yaku kumenya mantu nkoroki aranire natwi gukurukira 0111 028 800. Email ni customercare@vilcom.co.ke. Vilcom Networks Limited. Reliable, affordable, responsive.
Anuije no